What's up everybody? Today I'm going to be reviewing these press-on nails that I received from this company called Réelzia. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And these are very high quality press-on nails. They're handmade by artists, and you can tell when you feel them, the quality is really high and the designs are really unique. So that's what I love about them. And the brand also stands behind making people feel confident and stylish, which is awesome. And I will be providing a 15% off link and code below if you want to purchase anything from the website. And here's a look at the website. And if you're looking for something high quality and unique, this is probably the place you would be able to find it. This is actually one of the sets that I received. They do have a size guide for the different sizes of the nail. All you need to do is follow the instructions here on how to measure the nails to make sure you know what size nails to get. I would size up and then file down to make sure you get like a more custom fit. Also, this is what comes inside. Actually, I didn't receive any of the stuff that comes inside, oddly, but I'm still gonna make it work. In order to make these nails last as long as possible, we want to make sure we are removing any residue, dirt, shine, oils off of the nail. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. You can also do this with a regular nail file, but I'm just using the electric one because it's faster. And you also want to shape the nail as well with a regular nail file if you use the e-file to buff, but you can just go over it like that and make sure you go around or as close to the cuticle as possible so that there isn't any oil or residue or dried up cuticles in that area. Once you're done with that, you want to dehydrate the nail. I just use the straight up acetone, but they do sell things you can get for dehydrating the nail, but I just use acetone because I feel like it does a pretty good job. Before you apply any glue, just make sure the nail fits from sidewall to sidewall. If it's too small, it will pop off. If it's too big, it will pop off. So you just want to make sure it fits perfectly. If it doesn't, just go ahead and file it wherever you need to make sure that you have that perfect fit. For the glue, I'm going to be using a gel nail glue, which needs to cure under the lamp. So I'm going to put it on the nail and then I'm going to cure it under the lamp for about 30 seconds. And then I'm going to put a little bit of the glue on the nail itself, like so. And then I am going to stick it on the nail and cure it under the lamp for 60 seconds. Of course, if you purchase this set of nails, you would get the nail glue. So I would use the nail glue. I just didn't have any nail glue, so I'm doing it this way. But I would definitely use the nail glue, especially with the darker colored press-on nails, because this gel base is usually for clear nails and then you polish them after. But this is also a pretty good alternative. So you can do either or, but the most important step to making the press-on nails last as long as possible is to prep the nail. And this is the finished look. I want to thank Réelzia again so much for sending me these press-on nails to try. I'm excited to try the other set as well, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That helps share it around YouTube. Share this video with your family and friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye.